Here is the AKASO 4K EK7000. I'm gonna show you just a quick setup. It came with two batteries. It did came with a lot of accessories, like complete accessories, but I'm only showing you a couple of the accessories right now. You will need an SD card. That's what you will need because that's not included. The micro SD card. All right, and after you put in the micro SD card, you have to make sure that your battery is charged before using it the first time. You can charge the battery while it's attached to the AKASO, the camera, the action camera, or you can use this included accessory, the battery charger. So you can put two batteries in there to charge. And here's one of the accessories, the waterproof case. So basically the AKASO is like the GoPro. It's so it includes that. The rest of the accessories I will show, but that's the case, the waterproof case. And this is an Amazon purchase. So when you turn it on, it's not the one on top. It's actually the side, the one on the front. So this one right here is not turning on because the battery is not charged. So again, make sure you have your battery charged. And the turn on button is the one on front. That's the actual view as soon as it turns on. And then you can press the button on the top if you wanna. If you've already set it up for video, you can press it once to record it. So the up and down button at the side, you can use that to move far or near to adjust the view with if you've already hit the record button. But if you're doing the settings, the side buttons are for moving up and down on like the options. Here's the mode button. So there you can change it from taking pictures to videos, and here's the settings. So when you click on the front and you get that symbol, that's a setting, and you can click the top button to choose it, and then to pick options, you're gonna use the side buttons, the up or down arrow. And then to select an option, you can click the top again, press once. See, if you press once on the top, it's gonna give you more information on the option that you picked. And it's not a touch screen, just so you know. So again, you can turn it on using the front button that says mode. You can also turn it off by pressing it more than 3 seconds. And this is showing you how to connect it to your phone settings. So make sure you have the app already downloaded, which is the AKASO app. And once you have the AKASO app, in order for the recordings, for you to be able to view the recordings, or you can even view the recording while you can view it on the phone on real time, but you have to have the app. So make sure your app is connected to your Wi-Fi, and then make sure that it's connected to the AKASO action camera. So here it is. It is already showing that what the videos and the photos I took, it's gonna be showing on the app.